Tired of watching your hard-earned real estate commissions vanish into the taxman's pockets? Let's unlock a secret weapon: infinite banking. Infinite banking isn't about traditional banking. It's about using a specially designed whole life insurance policy to become your own bank. First, you'll need to set up a participating whole life insurance policy. Look for policies that emphasize cash value growth and offer flexible loan provisions. The key is building up cash value within the policy over time. Next, when opportunities arise, instead of going to a traditional bank, you borrow from your policy's cash value. The interest you pay on these loans goes back into your policy, benefiting you. Now, for the tax magic. When you borrow against your policy, it's generally not considered a taxable event. You're not selling an asset. You're borrowing against it. This means you can access capital for investments like buying rental properties or flipping houses without triggering immediate tax consequences. Also, the death benefit of the policy is income tax-free to your beneficiaries, providing another layer of long-term financial security. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy that requires careful planning and a solid understanding of your finances. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in infinite banking to see if it's the right fit for you. Start building your financial future, one policy at a time.